This is Jen Jones and Gail Dobis. Right. Newest dance is called Together We Stand. 48 count, 4 walls, improver dance to the song Let's Work Together by Canned Heat. We're going to give you a teach and then follow it by a demo with the music. The first 16 counts is the part of my From the Day line dance where you're weaving and turning and weaving and turning. So we're going to do that first. So we're going to do the first 16 counts together. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Side, behind, half, turn, behind, full turn, side, behind, half, turn, behind, 3/4 turn. Second 8 is we're going to rock over our left shoulder. We're going to square back up and chassé to the right. We're going to rock and chassé again. So it is rock, recover, chassé, and rock, recover, chassé. With the count, it is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Third section is going to be you're rocking forward, recover, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward. With the count, it is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next 8 counts is a lockstep kind of with a knee pop, shuffle forward both sides. So it's step, lock, shuffle forward, step, lock, shuffle forward. With the count, this is the 4th section. So it is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last section is 2 turning jazz boxes over that right shoulder. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is the whole dance. So let's put it together once, together with the count. Then we're going to turn this off and we will demo it with the music. Going to the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the whole dance. No tags or restarts. See you in a few minutes with the demo.